Do you have a small pot at home, a little balcony, or even just a window where the sun comes in? If yes, then you have everything you need to grow a garden. Many people think you need a big yard and lots of land, but that is not true. You can grow beautiful plants in a small space. Today I want to share with you one of the most calm and happy things a person can do. It is planting a small garden. Welcome to the English Flow Podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow Podcast right now so you can learn easy English every day. Now, let us put our hands in the soil together and learn the joy of growing plants. First, let us talk about why gardening is so special. When you plant a seed and care for it, something amazing happens. A tiny seed grows into a living plant. You give it water and sun, and it gives you green leaves, flowers, or even food. It feels like a small miracle, and you helped it happen. There is a deep joy in growing life with your own hands. It connects you to nature, even if you live in a busy city. A small garden brings a piece of nature right to your home. Let us talk about what gardening does for your mind. Caring for plants is very calming. When you water your plants and watch them grow, your busy mind slows down. The worries of the day fade away. Many people feel peace and quiet joy when they work with plants. It is a gentle, slow activity, and that is exactly why it heals us. In a fast world, a small garden gives you a calm, quiet moment with nature every single day. Gardening also teaches us patience. A plant does not grow in one day. You plant a seed, and then you wait. You water it, you give it sun, and slowly, day by day, it grows. You cannot rush it. This teaches us a beautiful lesson about life. Good things take time. We must care for them and then be patient. When you learn patience in your garden, you become more patient in your whole life too. Now, some people say, "But I cannot grow anything. Every plant I touch dies." If this is you, do not worry. You just need to start with the right plants. Some plants are very easy and strong. For a beginner, start with easy plants that do not need much care. Some herbs like mint or basil are easy to grow. Some flowers are strong and friendly. Even a small cactus is a great start. Begin with easy plants, and you will feel proud and happy as they grow. Let me tell you how to start, step by step. First, get a pot with a hole in the bottom so extra water can leave. Second, fill it with good soil. Third, plant your seed or your small plant. Fourth, give it water, but not too much. Fifth, put it in a place with enough sunlight. And then the most important step, care for it a little every day. That is all. With these simple steps, you can grow your first plant. Here is one of the best gifts of gardening. You can grow your own food. Imagine picking a fresh tomato or some fresh mint from your own little garden. Food you grow yourself tastes wonderful, and it is healthy and fresh. You can grow herbs on your windowsill to add to your cooking. You can grow a small tomato or pepper plant on your balcony. Growing even a little of your own food brings a special joy and pride, and it is healthy too. Gardening is also wonderful for your family. If you have children, gardening teaches them so much. They learn where food comes from. They learn to care for living things. They feel proud when their plant grows. Planting a small garden together makes happy family memories. You can also share your plants and flowers with friends and neighbors. A garden is a gift that you can grow and then share with the people you love. Let me share a simple daily habit. Visit your plants every morning. Each morning, go and look at your plants for a few minutes. Check if they need water. Look for new leaves or flowers. Say good morning to them. This small daily habit is a calm and happy way to start your day. It connects you to something living and growing, and it reminds you that you too are growing a little every day, just like your plants. Now, let me show you my favorite secret. You can learn English in your little garden. Gardening is a quiet task, and your ears are free. So while you water your plants or pull small weeds, put on your headphones and listen to an English podcast, like this one. You can also learn the English names of your plants and garden things: seed, soil, leaf, flower, water. Your garden becomes a calm green classroom. You grow your plants and your English at the same time. It is a beautiful and peaceful way to learn. We have learned so many lovely things about planting a small garden today. We learned that you can grow a garden even in a small space like a pot or a balcony. We learned that gardening calms our mind and connects us to nature. We learned that it teaches us patience because plants grow slowly. We learned to start with easy plants and to follow simple steps. We learned the joy of growing our own fresh food, gardening with our family, and visiting our plants each morning. And we learned to listen to English in our garden. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will learn about a very important habit for today's world, using your phone less, and how it can give you back your time, your peace, and your real life, all in easy English. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow us on all our social media pages for more daily English practice. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Keep growing, keep caring, and keep speaking English.